Good morning. So it's our third day here at Lille. Nag-breakfast na kami kanina. And ayun, naman na nagdagdag sa breakfast so hindi ko na kinuha na ng video. Lalabas kami today. And last day na din nila Diona and the family. So ayun. Bonjour. Bonjour. Comment tu t'appelles?
Did you come message, huh?
See you in Australia.
See you, Austria.
Thank you, bye-bye. Kuya Marvin.
Ay. Umalis na sila. Okay, so nasa labas na ulit kami. Ay, grabe ang ginaw. So, it's -2 today. And it feels like 18, -18. So, ayun. Hi. So, biglang nabuhay itong Lille kasi back to normal na ulit. It's December 26 today and ayun. Ito, Portay. Oh. Hi. Hi. Shy type yan si Ate V eh.
Puro na lang kayo, babay sabi.
Bye-bye, Shanshan. Bye-bye. Mag-message kayo pag nasa Torquewing na kayo.
Pumasok na kayo doon kasi maraming pasahero.
Oo. Bye-bye.
Pag nakita namin ito,
Kowa, andyan pa- may kowa pa pala. Kowa, bu. Bye-bye.
tulog.
Bye-bye.
God bless your trip.
They're going to Australia in a week. Okay, so maglo-load ulit kami ng aming daily pass kasi nag-expire na yung kahapon na niload namin. So ito yung mga loadan nila and it cost 5 euro per day. 550 euro per day. So ayun, mag-recharge lang siya. Yan lang, super easy. Okay, so nakaload na kami. So today, magpupunta kami sa Citadel. Diyan lang. Nakita ko yung kapon eh. Ito, oh. Ay, di pala. So it's there. Okay, so we're here now at the Citadel Park here at Lille. This is so laki, ang laki, grabe. Marami dito nagja-jogging. Okay, so this is part of the Citadel. That's yan yung entrance if you wanted to go dun sa loob.
Ito yung Citadel.
So ayan. This is historic daw during war times. So let's check. Okay, so we're inside of the Citadel. So the Citadel is actually built between 1667 to 1670. And this is a star-shaped fortress na may advanced defense for war. And so before, this is a strictly military zone. Pero this day, ginawa na siyang open for public park and for green spaces like yung mga gustong mag-jogging and all that. And meron ding zoo dito. So, ayun. Ganda, very tahimik. Ang Batang Irrigation. Meron sila ditong ano. So, ang ganda dito, ang tahimik. Tapos may mga taong jogging, nagpapalakad ng mga aso.
Makapalad na.
Ganun, wait. Saan ba yun? Tita, paano alisin yung effect? Ay. Nakita ko na.
Kita mo na
Nakita. Oo.
Para di ako makilala. Practice mo na kami. Okay na ayos na akin. Practice may tugtog. Practice mo na.
Three, two, one. To pose, 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 pose. Ganda. Nag-TikTok sila. Nag-TikTok sila.
Sino?
Kayo, no?
Hindi kami nag-TikTok. Nag-opalite mo.
Nag-opalite sila.
Matagal mo namin pinag-aaralan natin sila.
Ganyan yung ano ng Citadel. Ayan, nakita niyo ba? Ganyan yung ano niya, itsura niya. Yun yung parang map. So, ayan. Lahat kami dito sa forest. Ito, madudulas to kasi yung mga tubig to na ano, nag-frozen kasi maginaw. So, ayun, ingat-ingat lang. Ito din no, nag-frozen yung top part ng ilog. Ito, nag-yellow na siya. Today it's negative 2. It feels like negative 18. Ay! Malayo.
Para mainitan. Maano yung ano ko, yung ilong ko, tumutulo.
So basically, itong Park de la Citadel is parang Intramuros, Philippines before. Yeah, ganon. Dito training yung mga military and parang defense force din. Kasi ang tataas ng wall nila. Ay, ang galing mag-dive oh.
Yung bridge doon.
Bridge to Terabithia.
Sa ano? Yung malapit sa Switzerland.
Maganda dito sa Lille. Sobrang calm lang. Ang linis. Parang sarap tumira. So we're going to Euralil.
Naniningil ako ng mga pamasahe.
Kasi sarado siya kahapon. So okay, so tapos na kami sa mall. Punta naman kami sa restaurant to have lunch. Actually, bigay yun ni Ate Celeste. Hindi ko alam yung name ng restaurant. Mamaya na lang. Ipakita ko sa inyo. Okay? Go, 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 go! Woo! Papunta na kami sa restaurant. So we're gonna eat here. And she did legit stamina. So, basically, ang Chevrolet Jet ay full for today. So, nilipat kami sa Lacour. Sabi nila, mas malaki yung place nun and it's kinda offering the same energy, the same food, the same vibe. So, tatry namin doon. So, this is Lil. Again. Ma. Ah, oui, dumaan tayo dito kahapon. I remember that Laog de Carlsberg. Oui.
Ah oui, 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 faut payer les passes.
So, ito din yung nilakadan namin kahapon. Actually, kaya lang kahapon mga sarado sila. Pero grabe ngayon dito, amoy cheese talaga. Amoy cheese fondue. Oh, ang ganda dito. Wow. Oh, it's cold. It's Osmarbelio. It's cold. Ah.
Oh yeah, this is De La Monnaie. This is the street De La Monnaie. So
61.
Wow. So naglakad-lakad kami. Ito pa pala yung part ng Old Miss. Na. So this is the La Cour na pupuntahan namin. Sana may pwesto. So this is the same Chevrijet, pero it's a bigger place, I think. Kung wala pa namang pwesto dito, ewan ko na lang. So it's a failure. So we need to wait for another hour para kumain. Eh nag-hype po na kami. Mag-pizza na lang kami dito sa tabi, sa La Bottega. Anyway, that happens. At least nakita namin tong lugar and it's really nice. Suhu place. Okay, so nagkape muna kami dito sa Tamper.
kasi gagawin ko sa
Nag-book na kami ng reservation sa Chevrijet.
Chevrolet o Laco.
Yeah, it's the Louis Vuitton shop. Pinipilahan din yung umakveo dito. So, we're able to secure a reservation dito sa kanina pa namin pinapangarap na Lida Cheat Bridget. So, meron kaming reservation ng 4:45. So, ayan. Andiyan na daw sila mami. So, nakaupo na kami. Ito yung kanilang menu.
Parang ano lang dyan yun. Chicken breast.
Mag-o-on-tray ba kayo?
May beer sauce yan, may beer.
Sabachi. Flemis.
Ito kayang Flemish stew.
Flemis stew. Stew.
Ano lang kaya ako Flemish stew? May beer din ito. Beef marinated in beer. Flemish stew na lang ako at saka jellied jellied
He goes in a nice restaurant to me and posts a photo and then he say, oh, do you think that you're rich? Or we go on holidays and I post a photo and he said, oh, your girlfriend?
roasted bone marrow. It's in English.
Yeah, okay.
It's
Can you show me?
Roasted bone marrow. Okay. This will not take minutes.
me, I'm
En bas, c'était 5, le plus petit c'était 10 et après c'était crescendo.
for me another one the tongue, beef tongue. No, one bone marrow, one beef tongue for the entree. This one.
And you will get they will just order the main course.
Yeah, so you have two starters and then the main.
Okay.
Yeah.
You want everything in the same time? All the starters?
Yeah, everything in the same time.
Everything in the same
Yeah,
time?
yeah.
This one sausage, mashed
On aurait pu faire 100, on aurait pu faire 100, mais il était trop long. Il est tout seul. C'était facile. T'avais dans une pièce,
You.
ouais, dans une pièce t'avais le blanc, les noms, et il fallait aller dans la pièce voir où était le nom. Et fallait juste communiquer. Je faisais des allers-retours, ils comprenaient rien.
Well done. Me, this one is good. The it's good. Yeah, it's okay, but it's good. Yeah, yeah, it's good.
But if you want to try another thing, like chick beef, if you like beef,
Okay.
carbonate Flamand, it's called Flemish stew in English.
That's my order.
That's her.
That's mine. The Flemish.
You like cheese?
No, not too much.
Maybe punch
What?
or cap, as you want.
Ikaw.
But this one is, you think? Yeah, it's,
But I prefer the Flemish.
yeah, I want to try this one.
Yeah, okay.
Because I tried the Flemish in Belgium.
For me, Flemish too. Yeah.
So I have the Portuguese, the Flemish, the sausage, the chicken, the beef.
Well done.
Shots. We have the bone. We have okay.
And for Celeste.
For the dessert later, no?
Yeah, later.
And
Do you
si
have
Celeste.
Right, so yung sausage.
For the drink.
Do you have Monaco? You serve Monaco? Yeah, for me.
25, 50.
Yeah. 25.
25.
How big is the 20, the 50?
25 is 25.
The 50, the 50 is the 50.
50.
Yeah.
And just karapdo.
And then Carabdo.
Yeah.
Okay.
Then we will
Merci.
see. Tatandaan mo.
So, this is Cheberigit. Ito yung malaking area nila, yung Lacour. This is actually a Flemish restaurant. So, it's Belgian, no? It's Belgian. So, it's man natin. Hi, Ate Celeste. What did you order? You ordered the horse steak? Si Mami in order niya na starter is yung bone marrow. I ordered the beef tongue. So yun, let's see. And of course, Monaco.
This is the bone marrow? Okay.
This is the beef tongue. This is the tagure. This is her bone marrow. This is the Flemish too. What's this? Just beef steak. Sausage.
With mashed potato,
Chicken breast with what? Cheese sauce?
mashed potato.
Normal sauce.
Sa akin, yung may sauce, yung sauce.
And there is sausage. Okay. This is my food. Ilalagay ko na lang yung name niya. Sa mahirap bigkasin. This is actually a cold dish. Thank you.
You're welcome, enjoy.
Well, see, this is a cold dish. And it has chicken meat, rabbit, kung ano-ano pa. Oh.
So this is the roasted bone marrow.
What's your main
And my main is
Flemish?
Flemish stew. Beef Flemish stew.
Yung part ng beef ito.
Yeah.
Yung beef cheeks.
Beef chick.
Yung sa akin lasang embutido. Sarap. Punta kami ng cheese. Ay, Dahon toilet. Kami cheese. Yun ang design. Kapag So, tapos na kaming kumain. Oh! So, we're done eating sa La Cour de la Petite Brigitte. Sarap. Sila. So, madilim na ngayon. So, let's try to walk at night here at Lille. Iba rin naman yung touch niya paggabi. So, ayan. So, kasi last night na din namin tonight. Dito, bukas train na kami pabalik ng Paris. So, baka maglakad-lakad lang kami muna. And explore tong Lille ng gabi. Because we haven't really done that. So, yun. Medyo malamig ngayon. Kailangan naming i-lose yung calories na in-intake namin sa aming kinainan. Dito lang ulit ako sa lugar kanina nung maaga pa kami lalakad. So, yun. Hi. Ma. Nakabili na ako dyan. Ano? Ganun. Hindi. Hermes. 3. Dan.
Pagbigay ko pa rin, anak.
Okay, so I think that's for tonight. Pauwi na din kami, pabalik na kami ng hotel. And also, I'm wrapping my Lille vlog. Because tomorrow, balik na din kami ng Paris para umuwi. So, yan ang saya, masaya. And I hope you had a wonderful Christmas break. And pag binanood nyo to, January na. So, it's 2025. So, I'm just wishing everyone a prosperous new year, a blessed one for sure. And ayun, maraming salamat and thank you very much din sa lahat ng nanonood, sumusuporta and keep on subscribing, liking my vlogs. Ayun, it's been a crazy 2025, but still God is so faithful. And I hope to your lives as well. Thank you. And bye. See you on the next one.